Holy bananas, good morning, you little delinks. That's short for delinquents. Typewriter Series number 415 today. As always, there's a wee paper, and today your wee paper is very wee. But this poem happens to be one that I really love. So I'd appreciate it if you listened. I really would. Here's your wee paper. Looks like this. There's another watermark. I don't know what it says. I might be lost at sea, but that will never mean that I do not tilt my head back, stare up at the stars, and sacrifice the salt in my tears, like an offering of my most sincere and honest gratitude for the way the water never seems to stop rocking me back to sleep. That's a good attitude to have. I love you a lot. Have a rad day. I'll see you tomorrow.